Good afternoon, students. In the last lecture video, we have started the basic historical background of electric and hybrid vehicles. Now let us continue. So, in a historical background, in 1986, okay, Great Electric Car Race was organized. This is a very main event in the history of electric and hybrid vehicle that had occurred way back in 1986, where two universities, that is between Boston MIT and Pasadena Catholic. So these two universities had organized one electric car race, which is having a distance of 3,490 miles and having the recharging stations of 53 stations were made. So from the Boston MIT up to the Pasadena Catholic. So this is the path you are observing. It is having a distance of 3,490 miles. So both these universities had organized one car race. So from MIT University will develop a electric car which starts from MIT, reach to Pasadena with intermediate 53 charging stations, and then again the same will travel from Pasadena to Catholic. So this is a major event in the history of electric vehicle, where universities, different governments are interested in developing research in the electrical and vehicle field. Then many automakers, especially in US and Japan, have started development of EVs by 1950s, you can say. So in US, General Motors, Ford, US Electrical, Solidtica, these are some examples of manufacturers from the US which have started manufacturing of an electric vehicle. In Japan, Toyota, Nissan, Honda, then Mitsubishi, Suzuki. These are some examples from the industries from Japan we have which had invested in the EV automobile segment. In Europe, PSA, Peugeot, Renault, BMW, Mercedes, Fiat, Audi, Volvo. These are some well-known, reputed companies of automobile sector have invested in a EV. Then these are some few models which have developed by some companies which are well known. That Ford EV projects resulted in Fiesta EV, Escort EV, Aerostar, EcoStar in 1970s. In 1970, Nissan companies have also developed EV4, EV Resort, President EV. These are some EV electric vehicle cars that have been developed by the Nissan company. Toyota also have produced the series of EVs named EV10, EV40 in 1980s. Also Fiat company also experimented electric vehicles naming X123, Y10 in 1980s and Electra in late 90s. BMW company also produced early convertibles such as E30, E36E in the early 90s and even in the mid 90s. So many reputed companies have also developed the electric vehicles from the last 25 to 30 years. Now some popular EVs in the recently 1990s and early 200, okay, where GM EV1, General Motors have produced EV1, which is having induction motor of having capacity 100 kilowatt, and it is having speed of 0 to 100 km per hour and having range of 144 km. Nissan Electra EV, which is based on the permanent magnet PMSM motor, having motor capacity of say rating of 62 kilowatt. It is based on cobalt and lithium ion batteries have been used. It is having a speed of 120 km per hour, which is very good, and having a range of 192 km, which is very good. Then this NIES company have produced, this is a Japanese company which have developed Yukoi. This is a low powered, you can say, EV which is having in-built PMSM. So each wheel is having which have given a separate motor for the its transmission, and it is having a range of 130 km per hour, and it is based on the solar, means solar technology. Then Reva Electric, so this is a low powered, this is the Indian manufacturer electric vehicle which has developed in a Urvis 200. So Reva is a car which is based on the separately excited DC motor. It is having a range of 80 km on a single charge. So some popular hybrid electric vehicles, the famous Toyota Prius, which is having a range of 160 km per hour, and which uses the ICE engine of say 52 kilowatt. So some popular fuel cell electric vehicles which have been developed in the early 90s and 200, which Ford and Mercedes-Benz have produced some electric vehicles based on the fuel cells, which are charged on the fuel cells. So currently, if you observe in the last decade, if you consider, there are so many popular EVs you will come across, that Tesla Roadster. Then Tesla have produced a series of different models of electric vehicle. Nissan Leaf, that a very well-known company. Then the Chevy Bolt, BMW i3. These are some current popular EVs are currently running on the roads. And currently popular hybrid electric vehicles, which are mostly PHEVs, that is plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, though variants from Honda Accord, Toyota Prius hybrid, Ford Fusion hybrid, then Volvo, BMW. These are the very high-end segments, or you can say these are the luxury cars, you can say. So in the last decade, so many companies are developing EVs, HEVs and plug-in hybrid vehicles. So now in the next lecture video, we will see what is the exact need and what are the importance of hybrid vehicle and electric vehicle. Thank you.